Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash Zone. Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to find and recover Facebook message or Facebook deleted message. So guys, this is same process for Android or iPhone. So I'm going to show in my Android phone. So let's start with the video. Before starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, here I'm on my Android phone. So let me open first the Facebook application. Okay, open your Facebook application, and here click on this three dot option, three line option, and just go to the setting, and again click on setting, then just scroll down and go to your information, and under your information option you will find the option called download your information. Just click on it. Now here you can see you can the option where you can download the all information. So now you can just you have to just deselect all, and now just select message only, and just scroll down and select here all time, all of my data, format HTML, and media quality you can keep high or medium. Okay, it's just if you have lots of message or media in messenger, so you make it medium so you can save time and your data. So now just create file, then one zip file download on your PC. Okay, so here you can see message and pending expire. Okay, so it is pending. Okay, so it's take time to create your data. So you will get the notification on your Facebook application that once it's done. So once it's done, just come back here and download your file. It would be zip file, so it would be open in your Android phone or iPhone, or also you can open it on your computer or laptop. So once you open it, unzip it, and you can open in text file, and you will see all deleted message individually. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.